Hi, Candace. Cover thoughts to go. I am in front of the camera. No makeup, no earrings. I do have my glasses. I have been in the hospital. It was something I put off. You know, you're good at putting off, and especially now in Corona. Who wants to go to the hospital? I. It was okay. They took good care of me. I didn't have to be there very long, like 3 days. It was still quite a serious operation that I am supposed to take it easy for up to 6 weeks. That seems like a long time. You know, you're not supposed to lift things. You're not supposed to. What else are you not supposed to do? You're not supposed to lift. And you're not supposed to bend over. You're supposed to always bend your knees. Stuff like that. Because if you're a freelancer, you don't necessarily take time off because nobody's going to give you any money during that time. So you have to, kind of work around that. I'm being taken care of very well from kids and friends and neighbors. That's something I'm very, very thankful for, that a lot of people check up on me. It's just another experience, which is kind of what I want to talk about. What happens when your life changes? Can you adapt? Do you get lost in feeling sorry for yourself and all you've given up? Or do you just say, hey, this is an opportunity, this is a challenge? So I have to walk around very slowly. Sitting down is painful, and I'm tired a lot. So, but when I got home from the hospital, first thing I did was order a little tea service wagon that I put all my stuff on, and I pull it behind me all around the apartment. You just have to figure out ways. I'm not supposed to lift things. And I bought a special pillow that helps me sit. And it's kind of something, if you can get into it, it can help you have an experience that some people have a lot, that have other disabilities. It just it can give you empathy if you accept it. And that's kind of the way I'm going. And I'm improving fast. So it's a question of, the old question of, is the glass half full or half empty? To be honest, I feel very grateful that I don't feel like my glass is even half empty. And I am very much enjoying this age. I say getting old can be a superpower. So I guess that's about all I wanted to say today. And take care, and I will be in touch again. There's 3 playlists you can choose. You can watch them all. You can abonnement, what's that word in English? You can listen anytime you want. So I'll be back, and thanks.